Hi everyone, I'm Jari. Today I'm so glad to make a brief introduction of how our textile products be produced at our factory. Now let's go watch the video. First is the workshop of cutting fabric. Here you can see they are cutting the fabric now, and we will do the first QC checking to check whether it's in good condition. If not, they will mark on it to make sure every details will be perfect and no smudge on the products. And we did have very experienced colleagues. He has more than 40 years working experience, very capable, efficient, and professional. Then we go to the sewing line. All the linen products will be sewed here. See, our workshop is very clean and well organized. We not only care about the production efficiency, but also the quality control. We care about every single details. You can see our colleagues are sewing our best-selling shopping bags. For this detail, they are making the cross-stitching on the handle to make sure the handle is strong enough. And more important, this lady is our QC. Normally, she will go to the sewing line to do the random checking to make sure all the products are produced in the correct way, like the size and the shape, and make sure there is no mistake before sending to the packing department. Next, here we go to the packing process. As you see now, our colleagues are cutting the extra threads to check inside and outside to make sure every details are perfect and no any smudge on the products. And after, we will pack them into the PB bag. As you see now, our colleagues is very carefully and professional. After packing, we will pack them into the carton. As you see, he is sealing the carton with the tape to make sure the carton is very durable to use. Then all the full packed carton will be sent to the QC department. He will do the final random checking. We will randomly take out a few pieces from few cartons to check if the products are correct and in good condition, and make sure the defective rate is within acceptable range. Then we will repack them back to the cartons. So, once the goods arrive you, we will find a QC stamp on the outside of cartons. As you see, each product will have 4 times of QC checking during the whole production line: cutting, sewing, packing, and final QC. And last but most important, we want to talk about is our colleagues who are working at our sewing line. All of them have more than 10 years working experience. Some are even have more than 40 years of experience. They're really professional and efficient at their work. And what's more important, they do love and enjoy to be working here. With such a great team, we do have confidence that our old textile products will make you and your customer happy and satisfied. Okay, that's all. Hope you can understand about textile products well. And we also do the OEM service upon your request. So you think we just make it. We are Lopo, we love sublimation. Join us, let's make life memorable. I'm Jari, thanks for watching. See you.